Skip to content. Cookies on www.hse.gov.uk. We use some essential cookies to make this service work. We'd also like to use analytics cookies so we can understand how you use the service and make improvements. Accept analytics cookies, reject analytics cookie. View cookies. Menu. Search X. Search hse.gov.uk. Search hse.gov.uk. Times. Search. Industries. Construction. Health and social care services. Pesticides. Domestic gas. Public services. Agriculture. Entertainment. Waste management and recycling. Motor vehicle repair. Offshore oil and gas. Industries A to Z. Topics. Basics for your business. Ritter. Kosh. Display screen equipment, DSE. Asbestos. Work equipment and machinery. Stress and mental health. PAT testing, portable appliance testing. Work at height. Coma. Topics A to Z. About house. News. Sign up for free updates. Contact us. Information in other languages. Our mission and priorities. Careers. Products and services. Books and products. Training and events. Testing and monitoring. Research and consultancy. Help us to improve the website, give your feedback. Home. Topics. Stress and mental health at work. Stress and mental health at work. Open Stress at Work menu. Stress at Work 1. Causes 2. Signs 3. Risk 4. Employees 5. Mental health. Stress at work. Mental health. Overview, mental health 6. Mental health for employees 7. Mental health for line managers 8. Management standards. Stress at work. Management standards. Overview, management standards 9. Before you start, prepare the organization 10. Step 1, identify the risk factors 11. Step 2, who can be harmed and how 12. Step 3, evaluate the risks 13. Step 4, record your findings 14. Step 5, monitor and review 15. What to do next 16. Do I have to follow the management standards approach? 17. Suicide prevention 18. Case studies 19. Reporting a concern 20. Resources 21. What are the management standards? House's management standards represent a set of conditions that, if present, demonstrate good practice through a step-by-step risk assessment approach. Allow assessment of the current situation using pre-existing data, surveys, and other techniques. Promote active discussion and working in partnership with employees and their representatives, to help decide on practical improvements that can be made. Help simplify risk assessment for work-related stress by identifying the main risk factors. Helping employers focus on the underlying causes and their prevention. Providing a yardstick by which organizations can gauge their performance in tackling the key causes of stress. They cover 6 key areas of work design that, if not properly managed, are associated with poor health, lower productivity, and increased accident and sickness absence rates. The management standards are Demands 22. This includes issues such as workload, work patterns, and the work environment. Control 23. How much say the person has in the way they do their work. Support 24. This includes the encouragement, sponsorship, and resources provided by the organization, line management and colleagues. Relationships 25. This includes promoting positive working to avoid conflict and dealing with unacceptable behavior. Role 26. Whether people understand their role within the organization and whether the organization ensures that they do not have conflicting roles. Change 27. How organizational change, large or small, is managed and communicated in the organization. To effectively implement the management standards approach, it is essential that you ensure the resource, support, and infrastructure for the project is in place in your organization. For advice on doing this, go to Before You Start 28. Management Standards Workbook. The implementation process detailed here is supported by a Workbook 29 which provides tips, advice, and guidance from people who have gone through the process. It includes a selection of checklists to allow you to be sure that each step has been achieved before you move on. You can print this workbook free of charge and use it to develop your approach. The completed document can be retained as evidence of what you have done should an inspector need it. The workbook will also be useful to organizations choosing to use an alternative approach, and provides advice on ensuring their approach is suitably equivalent. Many of the practical solutions may also be applicable. Back to top. Related content. Working Together to Reduce Stress at Work, PDF, 30. Tackling Work-Related Stress Using the Management Standards. 31. Management Standards Tools and Downloads. 32. Case Studies. 33. Link URLs in this page. Stress at Work www.house.government.uk/stress/index.htm. cause/www.house.government.uk/stress/causes.htm. signs/www.house.government.uk/stress/signs.htm. risk/www.house.government.uk/stress/risk-assessment.htm. employee/www.house.government.uk/stress/help-employee.htm. Overview, mental health www.house.government.uk/stress/mentalhealth.htm. Mental health for employees www.house.government.uk/stress/mentalhealth-employees.htm. Mental health for line managers www.house.government.uk/stress/mentalhealth-linemanagers.htm. Overview, management standards www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/index.htm. Before you start, prepare the organization www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/before.htm. Step 1. Identify the risk factors www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/step 1/index.htm. Step 2. Who can be harmed and how www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/step 2/index.htm. Step 3. Evaluate the risk www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/step 3/index.htm. Step 4. Record your findings www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/step 4/index.htm. Step 5. Monitor and review www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/step 5/index.htm. What to do next www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/what-next.htm. Do I have to follow the management standards approach? https://www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/doi.htm. Suicide prevention www.house.government.uk/stress/suicide.htm. Case study www.house.government.uk/stress/case studies/index.htm. Reporting a concern www.house.government.uk/stress/reporting-concern.htm. Resource www.house.government.uk/stress/resources.htm. Demand www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/demands.htm. Control www.house.government.uk/stress/standards/control.htm. support/www.house.governmentuk/stress/standards/support.htm relationship/www.house.governmentuk/stress/standards/relationships.htm Role 8/www.house.governmentuk/stress/standards/role.htm Change et/www.house.governmentuk/stress/standards/change.htm Before you start www.house.governmentuk/stress/standards/before.htm Workbook /www.house.governmentuk/pub/wbk01.htm Working together to reduce stress at work /www.house.governmentuk/pub/indy424.pdf Tackling work-related stress using the management standards https://www.house.governmentuk/pub/wbk01.htm Management Standards Tools and Downloads https://www.house.governmentuk/stress/standards/downloads.htm Case Studies https://www.house.governmentuk/stress/case studies/index.htm Is this page useful? Yes, no. Report a problem with this page. Footer links. Industries. Construction. Health and social care services. Pesticides. Domestic gas. Public services. Agriculture. Entertainment. Waste management and recycling. Motor vehicle repair. Offshore oil and gas. Industries A to Z. Topics. Basics for your business. Ritter. Kosh. Display screen equipment, DSE. Asbestos. Work equipment and machinery. Stress and mental health. PAT testing, portable appliance testing. Work at height. Coma. Topics A to Z. About house. News. Sign up for free updates. Contact us. Information in other languages. Our mission and priorities. Careers. Products and services. Books and products. Training and events. Testing and monitoring. Research and consultancy. Search. Copyright. Cookies. Privacy. Accessibility. Disclosure of information. Vulnerability disclosure. All content is available under the Open Government License v3.0, except where otherwise stated. Updated November 26, 2021.